Praise be to Jesus. Killing Alfie Evans. For those of you who are not familiar with Catholic teaching on euthanasia, I bring you the following excerpt from an article. John Paul II. Death by starvation or dehydration is euthanasia by omission. The boy went many hours without hydration and 3 days without any nutrition. He finally received a little milk before dying. In his 2004 address on life-sustaining treatments and vegetative state, Pope St. John Paul II taught that food and water must always be offered, even when it's artificially provided. The sick person in a vegetative state, awaiting recovery or a natural end, said John Paul II, still has the right to basic health care, nutrition, hydration, cleanliness, warmth, etc. He added, death by starvation or dehydration is euthanasia by omission. Well, there's more to the article if you care to read it, and the link will be in the description box.